Hello, I'm in a 2011 Infiniti QX56 and I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side, we'll just go right down here. You see this lever with a little tension. You pull and you hear a pop, so it should have unlatched. So you can see the back side. You see like some cables here that if this is disconnected or really loose, you need to go in and get it attached and tightened properly. So there's some tension for it to pull. And then we'll go up to the front here. In most vehicles, there's a lever right around the middle, which in this case, it's right here. So we'll push left and pull up. So left, and up. The hood's fairly heavy, is a warning if your little hydraulics aren't working properly. But it was hooked onto this with this here. So if it's not unhooking properly, remember this hood's heavy, but you might need to realign this to center or some part of this to the center. Maybe it's got some debris caught in here, it needs some like WD-40 or something to loosen it. But that's it. I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.